Well, there's the ash tree. Just saw it going over. Just watched it go over. There's the locust tree, split down in the middle, as you can see. We will have to take the whole thing down. It's sitting on wire. That's Fios cable it's sitting on. More branches down up towards Jean. Branches across the road. Rest of the valley doesn't look. The root ball pulled up. It was only a matter of time. I say I watched it go. Very, very sad. I love this tree very much. As you can see, still really windy out. Bad. Lots of people running their generators. I'm hoping this blue spruce stays up. I don't see a lot of heaving under it. Looks good.